One man's diaphragm spasmed for 68 straight years, an estimated 430 million hiccups without a single pause. A hiccup is an involuntary spasm of your diaphragm set off by irritation of the vagus or phrenic nerve that snaps your vocal cords shut an instant later and produces that sharp little sound. So why would a reflex this pointless ever survive evolution at all? The leading theory says it is a leftover from our amphibian ancestors. Tadpoles breathe by snapping their airway shut while pumping water past their gills, using the very same brainstem circuit we still fire today, hundreds of millions of years later. Hiccups start remarkably early. Human fetuses have been observed hiccuping by 9 weeks of pregnancy, long before their lungs even work, and most mammals, from cats to whales, hiccup too. Spasms in our diaphragms. Hiccups are triggered by electric signals generated in the brainstem. Neil Shubin, entry complete.